Wingcopter debuts a triple-drop drone to create logistical highways in the sky. German startup Wingcopter has launched a new autonomous delivery drone designed to remove a technical bottleneck hindering the growth of drone transport services. The Wingcopter 198, which was revealed Tuesday, is capable of making 3 separate deliveries per flight, the company said. Wingcopter has couched this multi-stop capability as a critical feature that will allow it to grow a cost-efficient, and hopefully profitable, drone delivery as a service business. The company, which was founded in 2017, got its start manufacturing drones. It used the revenue to scale and now expand its business model to include drone delivery as a service. That's actually our next mission, to not just build drones, but to build networks, CEO Tom Plummer told TechCrunch. The company's website is now promoting the delivery business, which aims to provide healthcare, e-commerce and grocery delivery among other services. Its ultimate aim is to create logistical highways in the sky, according to a statement by Plummer. The key to this delivery nirvana, the company claims, is its patented tilt-rotor propellant mechanism that combines the advantages of 2 drone types: the multicopter, which gives drones their smooth vertical takeoff and landing capabilities and the ability to hover precisely in the air, with the fixed wing, which provides fast flight times over long distances. The new model Wingcopter 198 has a top speed of 93 miles an hour and can carry payloads up to 13 pounds for a distance of about 47 miles from a single battery charge. It can travel up to 68 miles when carrying lighter cargo, the company said. Plummer explained that the tilt rotors can also automatically respond to gusts of wind and other inclement weather conditions. Its architecture includes 8 motors for redundancy and safety reasons. The drones, which are equipped with sensors and software to avoid obstacles and drop parcels at designated sites, are all automated. This level of automation allows one human operator to monitor and control up to 10 of these new drones from a computer equipped with Wingcopter's control station software anywhere in the world. Plummer explained that running the drones is as simple as the operator pressing start on the software program from anywhere in the world. Plummer also touted the scalability of the tilt-rotor system, noting that it could be applied theoretically to a larger aircraft to carry cargo, or even human passengers. It's just a cost factor, Plummer said, noting that the company already employs people who have the experience in aviation and aerial engineering required to one day take the tilt-rotor aircraft to scale. However, we thought, let's start with the smaller version, get these 1,000s of flight hours, 1,000s of kilometers, and take these learnings into every next generation of Wingcopter so they will constantly get bigger, first for cargo, later for mobility. Plummer said they've drawn a hard line at working with any company or government institution that would use their drones for military or surveillance purposes. It's mainly moral, he said of the